guys, and welcome to LALAL.AI YouTube channel. We're thrilled to announce the release of LALAL.AI desktop application. In addition to standard web version, you can now use LALAL.AI on your computer. The application is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It was highly requested by our users and we're happy to oblige. The launch of our app allows you to perform all tab-splitting tasks in one place on your computer instead of a browser, where many tabs are usually opened. The more tabs, the harder it is to focus and navigate. Now, you've got one less thing to search for. The way LALAL's web version and desktop app function is pretty much the same, so you don't have to worry about spending too much time on learning how to operate the app. The feature set is also nearly identical to the web version, with the main difference that the splitting results are downloaded into the folder that the user has selected. This allows you to organize the library of processed tracks much more easily. Now, let's expand on the current features of the app. Here is what you can do with LALAL desktop application. Note that this is not a final version of the application. More features are coming soon. Now, let's have a look at the detailed instruction on how to use LALAL desktop application. Let's go! First of all, go to LALAL, open Tools and API tab and download the application to your computer. Launch the application and enter your email address into a special field. Check your email now, copy the verification code that you received and paste it into the app. Now, in order to split the wanted files, you can click Split Files button or drag and drop the track that you need. Also, here you need to select the stamp from the drop-down menu. Right after you click the Split Files button and pick one of the stamp options, you will see a pop-up window. In this window, you can browse the files on your computer. Double-click the files in order to upload them. The splitting starts immediately after upload. Note that you can make a preview of any audio file processed. For this, click the Make Preview switch. Note that this step is only required in case you want to listen to a short example of how your track is going to sound like after splitting. Skip this step if you want to process the entire file. Once the splitting is completed, you will see a notification about that. Click the folder icon next to the name track to locate the file on your computer. But if you enabled Make Preview mode, don't forget to switch it off. Then, the application will start splitting file in full. Now, you can play the stamp, edit it, and do whatever you want with it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video guide. Now let me know in comments how you like our new format of the videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.